I was broke, unemployed, I was starting to slouch. I was sleeping in the basement on my mama's new couch. That's when I heard it all, a chance to skirt it all. A money like my last girl. Completely Verge, Bitcoin billionaire. Spending money like I don't care. Mining coin in my underwear. I'm gonna be a Bitcoin billionaire.
With all that said, welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In this episode we're going to discuss about multiple reasons, and we're going to see multiple charts why the Bitcoin is not dead, and why this is just the calm before the storm, and why soon we could actually moon into the stars. And now let's begin. So we are standing here on one daily chart, and we can see that the Bitcoin price did drop to around $8,500, and we had pretty good bounce from there. Also, if we switch on all EMAs, we can see that the 200 daily exponential moving average held this level pretty significantly good, and we bounced for now. So Bitcoin is still struggling and fighting around that price, and we are far away from 20 daily exponential moving average, which means that soon we will probably bounce back to retest those levels. Now, if you want to hear a little bit relief news on the short-term gains, we can see over here that on a 1 hourly chart, Bitcoin price tried to break 21 hourly exponential moving average many times, and it failed. And as we can see right now, at this moment I record this video, we break above it. So for now, Bitcoin price is trying to correct itself. It's too early to say that we are in a good position for the long-term correction, but for now it's going well. If we zoom out on the weekly chart, we can see that we held 20 weekly exponential moving average, which is very important to hold this trend. So for now, nothing special is happening. As you can see on the charts, we're just retesting 20 weekly exponential moving average. That's it. Also, if we switch on other EMAs, we can see that the Bitcoin price got help from 50 exponential weekly moving average, and it bounced for now. We held this level, and it's important for now to observe and see that the Bitcoin price is holding this level. So for now, nothing bad is happening, just a correction for now. It doesn't matter whatever happened, even if we drop further lower, it doesn't matter. Make sure you dollar cost average. Now I'm going to show you why it doesn't matter. We are in all-time high on the BLX chart over here. We can see that the Bitcoin price is constantly rising and going up, not parabolically but surely and slowly. It doesn't matter if we drop 20% more, it doesn't matter if we drop 30. Look where we are. So make sure you observe the whole picture. The halvening is coming to approach, and look what is going on after the halvening. Parabolic move. After the halvening, parabolic move. So guess what is going to happen right now? Look what happened before. So we had sloppy consolidation. Also over here, sloppy consolidation. Also over here, we're going to have the same probably before we reach this parabolic move over here. So make sure you observe the bigger picture. It doesn't matter what is going on 1 hourly chart, even on 1 daily chart. Make sure you observe the full picture if you are an investor here. If this isn't enough, look next picture. Fear and greed index. This is the big shower to buy. This is the buy opportunity. This index over here is showing us fear and greed into the market. If you have a fear, you always buy. If you have a greed, you always sell. So make sure you are contrarian. If someone is afraid of to buy Bitcoin, you should buy the Bitcoin. Be a contrarian. This is a very good opportunity to buy, because this is something that Bitcoin is giving us right now. You're not going to buy Bitcoin on $8,000 when it goes to the $20,000 and never come back to this level. So make sure you invest now, dollar cost averaging. If this isn't enough, let's see some other charts. Hash rate on the Bitcoin mining, we can see that we're still on all-time highs. We're still holding these levels. More machines are joining the network, and the network is securing. No matter what the price is doing, we still have miners, and the hash rate is still rising. If this isn't enough, let's see what the Google trend is doing. We are not on the downtrend. We are still going on the way to the upside. Of course, we are not on all-time highs on the Google trend search over here as the Bitcoin term, but we are going on the way to the upside. If this isn't another reason to buy Bitcoin, let's see what is going on other charts. Bitcoin Lightning Network chart, we can see that we are still have the nodes joining the network. So we are on all-time highs even now. If this isn't enough, let's see the volume of the Bitcoin trading in Venezuela, almost on all-time highs. Again, if we go onto the Egypt, we can see almost on all-time high. This week, of course, even so it was red, we have the big volume of trading in these countries. Also in Chile, look at this. This is insane. Also, if we switch on Argentina, where you all know what is going on there with the money and inflation, look at this. We are almost on all-time high. So the Bitcoin is pushing off the mass adoption no matter what the price is doing on 1 hourly chart or 1 daily chart or whatever. So make sure you observe the long-term perspective, long picture what the Bitcoin and where could it go. Make sure you follow us and follow the news, what is going on with the adoption. Do not watch the CNBC and the FUD news that are telling a bunch of crap about why the Bitcoin price is crashing, which is not correct. Watch our previous videos where I told you that the news are actually dumping the price of the Bitcoin because the money is listening actually those news and the TV experts about Bitcoin, gold, stocks, futures, options and many other assets. Do not listen to TV, watch the charts, and charts will tell you the news, what is going on here. So if you are in doubt, zoom out. Make sure you do a dollar cost averaging. Do not regret if the Bitcoin price starts suddenly going on the way to the upside. Many whales, many other investors from stocks went into the Bitcoin as the Tim Draper. Watch our other news and many other people how bullish they are into the Bitcoin. Make sure you do dollar cost averaging, your own research, your own perspective and technical analysis, and you will see the real picture. Do not let anyone other tells you what to do with your own money. With all this said, I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos, ladies and gentlemen. As and always, until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.
I was a Bitcoin billionaire, spending money like I don't care. Now I just pawn my underwear. Used to be a Bitcoin billionaire.